Imagine you're a hungry frog searching for your next meal. You spot a small beetle crawling across the ground. An easy snack, right? You snap it up. But suddenly, pop, a hot, irritating chemical explosion blasts directly into your mouth. Startled and in pain, you spit the beetle out immediately. The tiny insect escapes unharmed. This isn't science fiction. This is the incredible story of Bombardier Beetle, one of the nature's most fascinating chemical engineers. Today, we are exploring how this tiny insect creates controlled explosions inside its body and why scientists are still amazed by it. What is a Bombardier beetle? The Bombardier beetle is the common name for several species of ground beetles belonging to the family Carabidae. These beetles can be found in many parts of the world, including North America, Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia. Most bombardier beetles are relatively small. Many are only about 1 to 2 centimeters long. At first glance, they don't look particularly dangerous. They have hard wing covers, long legs, and a shiny black or brown body, often with reddish or orange markings. But hidden inside this tiny body is one of the most remarkable defense systems in the animal kingdom. A defense system so sophisticated that it resembles a miniature chemical laboratory. Why does it need such a powerful defense? Life is dangerous for small insects. Birds, frogs, spiders, lizards, and other insects are constantly hunting them. Most insects rely on camouflage. Some use speed, others use venom or stingers. The bombardier beetle took a completely different path. Instead of running away, it fights back with chemistry. And not just ordinary chemistry, it uses a reaction powerful enough to create a tiny explosion. For predators, attacking a bombardier beetle can be a very unpleasant experience. Many learn quickly that this beetle is not worth eating. The secret chemical weapon? Now comes the truly amazing part. Inside the beetle's abdomen are two separate, strange storage chambers. One chamber contains hydrogen peroxide, another contains hydroquinones. By themselves, these chemicals are relatively stable. The beetle keeps them safely separated. But when danger appears, something extraordinary happens. The chemicals are pushed into a special reaction chamber. Inside this chamber are enzymes that act as catalysts. The enzymes trigger a rapid chemical reaction. Almost instantly, the mixture begins producing heat and gas. The temperature inside the reaction chamber can approach the temperature of boiling water. Pressure builds rapidly. Then the beetle releases the mixture through a small nozzle at the tip of its abdomen. The result is a rapid series of hot chemical bursts accompanied by an audible popping sound. It's like a miniature biological spray cannon. Perfect aim. A weapon is only useful if you can aim it. Fortunately, for the bombardier beetle, it can. The beetle can rotate the tip of its abdomen and direct the spray toward the threat. Whether the predator attacks from behind, the side, or above, the beetle can often target it with surprising accuracy. Scientists have observed bombardier beetles successfully defending themselves against ants, spiders, frogs, and other predators. The spray is not usually lethal to large animals, but it is highly irritating. For a predator expecting an easy meal, the experience can be shocking enough to end the attack immediately. Why does a beetle explode? One of the biggest questions scientists asked was, how can the beetle survive such a violent reaction? The answer lies in its specialized anatomy. The reaction occurs inside a heavily reinforced chamber designed to withstand heat and pressure. The chemicals remain separated until the exact moment they are needed. The reaction is carefully controlled. Instead of one giant explosion, the beetle releases a rapid series of pulses. This reduces the risk of damaging its own body. Nature has effectively engineered a safe chemical reactor inside a living insect. What scientists learn from it? A Bombardier beetle isn't just interesting to biologists. Engineers and chemists have studied it as well. Its ability to store reactive chemicals safely and release energy in controlled bursts has inspired research into spray systems, propulsion concepts, and microengineering. The beetle demonstrates how natural selection can produce solutions that seem almost technological. Long before humans built engines and pressure systems, nature had already created its own version inside a tiny insect. The Bombardier beetle proves that size isn't everything. This tiny insect doesn't have giant claws, it doesn't have venomous fangs, and it can't outrun many of its enemies. Instead, it relies on one of the most extraordinary defense systems ever discovered in nature, a built in chemical reactor, a precision spray cannon, and a survival strategy that has protected its species for millions of years. The next time you see a small beetle crawling through the forest floors, remember one of the most incredible engineers on earth might be hiding in plain sight. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of Bombardier Beetle, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And tell us in the comments which insect should we explore next. Until next time, stay curious.